up mga pops and momshies? Welcome ulit sa ating vlog. And again, welcome sa ating channel na SciTube. And we are on the road na naman. We are at Polanco right now. And papaliko kami to Isis. This is the road to Isis, Polanco, Zamboanga del Norte. And today we are going to Pinahon Islands. Yes, mag-beach tayo mga pops and momshies. And samahan nyo ako today, alright? Weather for today, medyo cloudy. Hopefully hindi tayo ulanin. Again, I am with my Motorstar Cafe 150. I call her Auntie. And the setup natin ngayon, naka-chest mount ang camera natin ngayon. So fix lang ang view. Okay? Sa mga pops natin nag-subscribe dyan, thank you very much. And I hope you guys, kung magustuhan yung video, click the like button. And of course, mag-subscribe na rin kayo kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe. And also click the notification icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, maraming salamat and let's go! Update lang mga pops and momshies. So far, mukhang wala na yung I don't hear any deceleration pop every time nag-decelerate ako. I don't know what happened, pero nawala na siya. Later on, I'm gonna check the spark plug kung optimal ba yung sunog. It's been a while since I've checked the spark plug. Hopefully, optimal pa rin. So far, okay naman ang response ng motor na to. Wala na mga hesitation and hindi rin naman nabibilaukan. Nag-accelerate ako. And yeah, wala yung backfire. Or technically it's deceleration pop, not backfire. I don't really mind meron siyang deceleration pop as long as working pa yung secondary air induction system at saka air induction pump. Mileage ng motor ko is 4,980. So, pa 5,000 na. And maybe on 5,500 March change oil naman ako. Because I change my oil every 1,500 kilometers. By the way, I only use mineral oil. Kasi hindi naman redline ito malagi. Tsaka home and work lang ruta na motor ko. So nasa crossroads na tayo to sa left side papuntang Dapitan at sa right side naman is papuntang Moroqueta or Usamis. Hola! Welcome to Barcelona! Hola! Barcelona, Dapitan City. So dito na tayo sa Barcelona. Okay mga paps, so ito yung crossing papunta Pinyan. Straight lang tayo. And kulang checkpoint. So, nandito na tayo sa Pinahon Parkway. If I'm not mistaken, this place is called Pinahon Parkway. Malaking river dyan sa left side. And legend says na Kaya tinawag yan na Linaw Baboy kasi merong golden statue na baboy na itinapon dyan sa river na yan. Legend says that every year kukuha yan ng isang kaluluwa. Kaya every year meron talaga ang disgrasya dyan at namamatay talaga. That's what they say. Yan ang sabi ng tanda. Interesting, right? Oh, by the way, kaya pala nangunguha siya ng kaluluwa every year kasi yung golden statue na baboy may kumuha nun hanggat hindi na ibabalik yung golden baboy, hindi rin titigil ang river sa pagkuha ng kaluluwa every year. So it's kind of like a curse. Interesting, diba? Yeah. Alright mga paps, so ito na yung crossing to going to Sibutan. Dili lang sa kilid or dito sa tuwan. Stop over muna kami dito kasi antayin muna namin yung mga kasama namin. Nauna kasi kami. Okay, so dito kami sa crossing ito tayo sa Sibutan. Yeah, antayin muna kami sa ating mga kasama. Look at that. Airplane. Aming paperclip. Okay, kasama ko. Ito yung daanan papuntang Sibutan, Zamboanga del Norte. Okay?
A few moments later.
Okay mga paps and mamshi, so mating na sila kaya roll out na naman tayo. Ano yan? Walang pipe, walang cover. So we're on our way to Sibutan, Zamboanga del Norte, and pasensya na pala kasi tapingi yung camera ko kanina, hindi ko namalayan na ma-change pala yung angle, kaya tatapingi siya. Anyways, we are on the way, so yeah. Yan po ang landmark ng Sibutan. Nakikita nyo na yan pag nakarating na kayo dito. Lagpot tayo ka. Nakabantay mo lagi ka daan. Kabantay mo, gito yung anak ko tagod. Nawa mo kanina, kabantay na ka, nawa kanina hawit naman sa mga. Nyala ka, woo! Okay mga paps and moms, dito na po tayo sa sentro na fast. So sabi ng brother ko, yung pupuntang Binyagon Islands is around, kung magsisimula kayo dito sa sentro ng Sibutan, it's right around 15 minutes na travel, and another 15 minutes daw from the port to the island. Black smoke. So right now dalawa kami, and I think this is around 30 degrees slope. Hindi ko lang. And I'm on a third gear at around 3,000 RPM, 3,000 plus. Okay, fourth gear na po tayo. So far, kaya-kaya naman. Hirap yung makina. Yep, nakamanyaka. Gear. Fourth gear na naman. Uy! Taas pala na ito. Sa right side. So right side na tayo, papuntang Rizal. Oh. Naka-counter, no? Ikaw na siguro ang counter. Ay, nabulat na nila. Kaya nagbubulat na po na nila. Parang port, oh. So ito pala yung port papunta Binyagon. Okay, so park. Okay mga papis and mamsis, nandito na po tayo sa port papuntang
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Mayundin. Port papuntang Piñahon. So yeah, nagarating din. So yan, nakasurvive. Merong ADV. So ito po. Yan po, yan, yung white na yan. Yan po ang Piñahon Island. Narang shark! Hi shark!
Subscribe to my channel.
Channel?
At
Dito lang po ako para mambak.
pag yan, subscribe.
Okay mga paps and moms, papunta na tayo sa island. Yan po sasakyan namin. Ano pa ba? JR May. Alright. So, boarding na po kami. Ha? Hi vlog.
Hi, tayo ngayon sa
Ilong
Ranger.
What's up, Lechong? What's up, Lechong here? So, mularga ng Titanic.
Hindi na biya sila sa kamigin ng ilang gilay.
So, nandito na po kami Piñahon Island, Sibutan, Zamboanga del Norte. Yeah. Okay mga paps and moms, so this is Piñahon Islands and medyo mag-init ngayon, buti na lang at hindi umulan, but the place is worth it. Look at that. Look at that. So now it's over there. Dagat. Wait, yan. Dagat, yan, mga paps and momsies. And, second, go. There it is. It's ulit dyan. Okay mga popsies, almost 5 p.m. so time for us to go home. So dito na ride namin. Sun's almost down. Right, so let's go. Okay, so dunggo na jud. Alright. Okay mga paps and momshies, so yun na po ang aming yun na po ang aming beach trip sa Piñahon Island, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. So, uwi na. Time for us to go home. We are on the road once again. So, mga papis and mamshies, thank you very much. And again, don't forget to click the subscribe button kung click nyo. And of course, like nyo na rin if you like the video. And click the notification button para ma-notify kayo every time I upload a new video. Okay? So, maraming salamat, and time for me to end the vlog. So, see you next time. Banking muna tayo. Banking. Whoops. Whoop. My asshole. So, bye-bye and ciao.